Alright, ebusuya Kennedy akompre kwa Japan. Ena ma oye campaign bi. Na the campaign ni mu nsem no. O kan sem bi say I was say the majority tribes are account for no. E kan bob na omoji NPP party na free minority tribes ni nsem. Na wey ena ye nuanom account for ni bia ba kasa say. Onabo Kennedy akompre kwa Japan asem na o kan enya possible san say Ashanti region and Eastern region alone entimi ma NPP enwini power. Eka dey see akwa na won Ashanti for ni bebre no kura no esate a omo say so amaju ko DNDC echi ni ade Eastern region say NDC a lot of city wo. Enti so who kasa asem ni dia that is we are not ready to come to power. Na and I'm some are creating a lot of conversation e o media no so. Ama Ghana for ni bebre action ma de ni Ghana for ni bi di nkomo. Ebu so omo say can Ashanti and Eastern region alone win MPP power? Na Ghana for no e de omadwe nkyere to dwa. Person no kokko tie bra. Na wo ye MPP de Ghana ni a wo to abai. Won so wo kire wadwe won say de omo kan no e ne kwana nsanya no kure. Comment section here widely open. And until maybe comment section now. Now watch the wadwe or comment section mu. How ya Ghana Nsem TV medin am just on a promise. You go tie in some Ghana for the two da bra ne omo kodi nkomo. E wa TikTok interview no so no. You go tie bra ne we watch that dream. E wo.
Nda Asante funi bi na nkasa no ye hu what has happened. E ka bibia cha wona want it. They don't see it our way. Inti ebade na yebeye to get the right result. Yodi, one thing me NPP no me hunye there. Like we keep on saying, it's not just the project. Ono no be what to abamo. It's about how the people see what you are doing. Appointment na na kufadu na brother no woman bebre no a wrong appointment. They did not reflect the aspirations of the normal NPP person. No, no. It is their personal connections that put them in that office and not the party's contribution. Nti ami mo hu na party no kra when you influence bi a won do. Na what in office you hold na manwara what pen. Because you sometimes since we are indictment on ourselves. That na toshia and the way fu be gina yen kon. She could sabotage no less a person than Dambochi to the extent that Dambochi became frustrated and left. And we watched and looked on. How powerful is that lady? Because yenya party phobia, they put their personal preference over the party's interest. No, don't continue. Yo, the only one was party. A party like NPP had Owusu Bempah as deputy communications director.
That same time, no, sorry, PR Ghana guys. The same time.
Onyawawa. Highly intellectual party like NPP. Here no representatives only the madi on them way.
You know, communication I do baby I do no.
Na ba communication pon obebeje o de bobo party. O wi ehwe baby we ko gina na nsam ofine no ba. Jody, a party like NPP put in place OSG, Office of Special OSP, and selected Martin Amidu ahead of all competent lawyers who are affiliated to NPP in Ghana. That person sabotaged us. 1 year and 1 we went to bring Kwesi Agyapong. A party like NPP offered Dan Paris as IGP against all odds. When even internally people said we can testify that way. Oh yeah, this is ni nyama what planet here, you know, yo. What did we do? Yeah, then. Obeying personal interest in it. They put such people there. They don't care. Young Communals Commission, Food and Drugs Authority, including Baumia's office, young lady, last minute was switching. What kind of due diligence we give positions to people? He was the spokesperson for education. So these are the people we appointed. Sticker. Deputy Finance Minister, Nekasani. Natoshi, Administrator of common fund. Nusuba no timini. Otomo sponsor NDCs ahead of NPP. Na yet one kwatina ho. Che Ashanti achim MP. Nsemo otumi fina number. Or NPP ni. Now a krupo de bia me ye me hihye na na akufo do na nkesa Nyankopon do. Major General upon pepra into what no he had an affiliation with NDC and the NDC's representative Ghana to a Canada ambassador no ye chief of defense
about when mom the nipa 3 are no more influential pe kufa the year more Ghana o man ye kululu bo NDC
hey in NPP hwe Nyankopon enyim o so se kana pa na me no diketa na atamfo the one twitwa party no na ye wie na ye blame ba wo mea na ye wie nya so ye twa ye no ho na ye blame ba wo mea. How fair is that? Jody, Dr. Baumia, Sanyame and Aduma. Me, I don't subscribe to the this holy that young fire concentration na young fingin Ashanti region. It depends on Nimpa appointment in the Bamano. It depends on Nimpa appointment in the Baman.
Because I will say about this next time. The party is supposed to have influence on whoever gets position.
That is what I'm saying.
The party.
Inti Simon was a mensa Ashanti region influence Ashanti region or yet. The influence was Ashanti region or yet.
I'm going to or the mom goodbye. As an I'm for goodbye.
It's not just look. Young Papa Nana Kufado, maybe he had all the good intentions, but no crowd there to me a kind of Odu baby no Nancho do China and Kusemunu Kakra. Yo, the Professor Opoka Mankwa, as NBC Achim Odan, at Tefua Secondary School, no ya roho. A whole NPP communicator. Wako ye party Juma, ma wabama ne headmaster was suspending. Headmaster was in young company education, Professor Opokwa Mankwa. In the on 2 million young she in MPP communicating was suspending. Obi antum nkebi man. But the mini pano waka kasa ma party na ba power. Ma wafa ne nyanku professor obi ne nyanku odine question wo punish party member no ontumi.
Thank you, promise.
They reported this issue. The party couldn't intervene. Nenyi pano ba yere wakoye adwuma no. Nti mo MPP for the anyankosam no ohiamusan party ni interest no. Yenya Professor Kenatefo no wakwatena NIA no wakache ende. Onu nya MPP funti no obatena ho. This is ya ye free power no. I didn't tell this for mo want na. Na I didn't tell one Ghana, one Magana, one bo no want na ho. No wakwatena fie. Na this for be take over. They were the middleman rebellion as my kind there. Going forward, you know, me I still believe in the kind of appointment we will make. So yeah, the appointment the right people are it will affect the party people.
Yes.
In the last 8 years, you know. Me, I won't cite in Penyinfo, I won't cite in Mufan. Then I go for the mom from my appointment about Eugene, no communications and Eugene Ahin, no a young guy. Herbert Kramper, no a young guy. Patrick Boam,
and we had finest communicators.
They were very young, and a lot of the names we can mention. What was their influence on the youth? Where they even operated, and what did they do for the party young people? Nana Boachin and Ebi, no a young person. Justin Kodria, no a young people. We did not vote for the right people, and most of the appointment went to people who did not have the party at heart. Into what dear and wicked, or boy and I morin, no ma apatino, or bemupano. I'm telling you, most of the people, Ashanti region, we complain there wasn't development, and this I beg to differ. It's not only about the development. The party people couldn't access their representatives. when who were born I'm on no so a development of whether region is easy and this you have been grab in a way or the mohon. But at least what the church and your man can be mohona, they feel it will benefit them more than their own development. Woman yanshia, na yaba before answer a party, and that is why Dr. Baumine, you know, your power 10 appointment, you know, because your appointment certainly will depend on the constituency you come from. And if they don't know you there, there's no way they will accept you. Maybe or no, it will push them to become accountable to us. So party where you are, you know that you have been selected because of the party people and not your personal friendship with the president. Now I'm quite now and you ain't wanna embed and wicked. Ne we are cutting a woofy. My who in the what dear body we they are the people you don't even hear a word from. What dear wicked we when you know be a cutting if you into Kanda Power Ghana.
Is that from me? How I know?
Joe de Medici.
But only I was or chilly or baby kura. Now, any apply to Ghana. See, passport could be nibi. Sure. Anyways, encoder. Mema ubebemans and a Felix about.
Honestly, say Ghana you be serious nanka minim say minjin this say sorry minjin this say NDC as a political party no mbenya nipa momodi omachi because I come here say nipa na omodi omachi no dodo wana no omo sense of reason and a sense of understanding no form what did I mention na say send your musi junior ade ho ene say no musi ti ase no e wo form and any one factor ama o man Ghana Ay3k3 ti dem kan yi send you see junior ade no ene send you see ti ade na say e one factor ama o man no Ay3k3 and a idea a very worrying I was see a hwe ne ye na etimi etoto ne ma eden e ne ye ma ne ye because we can't live in a country saying that mamufoni be edwini it makes the country goes back yentimi ntum ponko yenim and it's very worrying a idea a hard dream papa you see I am no work say the people are much was are failing and a bro adwini nti ase so. But look at what people are saying. It is very sad, bro. It is very, very sad. By next year, and there is nothing we can do about it. There is nothing we can do about it. That's the honest truth. And yes, area. But these people don't think about us. So what are you going to do? You just need to keep quiet and watch them do whatever they want to do. But if you're to be in any serious country,